Hello students, welcome to BioSmart Academy. In today's lecture, I will going to discuss the most important questions for molecular biology, which is module 3. Okay, so molecular biology is also a very important, you can say, interesting module. Okay, so so I hope that you watched the previous two modules important topics, right? Biochemistry and cell biology, module 1 and module 2. I already uploaded the previous two. I hope you will get benefited. Please go and watch, and if you liked it, please subscribe our channel. Please help us so that we can grow and we can help the aspirants in qualifying their examination. Please help us. So molecular biology. So what are the important topics? Okay, so first, if we consider on DNA replication, right? So in DNA replication, they mainly asked, they now ask very few question from this. Although you may get some question in 2 marks, okay, but the amount of question that they earlier asked from this is become now less, right? So from DNA replication, what you should read? So according to me, you should just focus on some of the important enzyme. For example, topoisomerase, right? So if you look the details of topoisomerase, this might help you in examination, right? You may get a 4 marks question from topoisomerase, helicase, primase. You should look on all this. Okay, just go for little bit details, right? And apart from that, you should know the details of DNA pol enzyme, the details of DNA pol enzyme. Okay, that is DNA polymerase 1, DNA polymerase 2, DNA polymerase 3, and their function, and so on, right? So you should know all these things. Apart from that, DNA polymerase 4 and 5 is also there, which is belong to the which is not so important, but you should know DNA polymerase 1 function, DNA polymerase 2, and DNA polymerase 3. You may get question from from pol 1, either pol 2, or either pol 3. Okay, you may get question from these topics in section B, or or it may be possible that you get question in section C as well. Okay, so apart from this, you should focus on the eukaryotic DNA replication, that is DNA pol alpha, DNA pol gamma, DNA pol epsilon, beta, delta, all these, their activities, their function, how they work, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you should know the DNA polymerase enzyme for eukaryotes, right? So you should note down all these things that I basically discuss here, so that uh, so that uh, so that you prepare in this way, so that you can attempt the question in examination, right? So this is about the DNA polymerase that might get you might give you some questions, right? So, and apart from this, another one important enzyme is there that I forget to mention, is about DNA ligase. Okay, so you also note down some important thing related to DNA ligase. Sometimes they give the question like comparison type question. Okay, ligase, primase, topoisomerase, all this, where energy is required, where energy is not required, like that. So you should know all these things. So this is all about from DNA replication. And yes, another one important thing that you should note down is about telomere replication. Okay, about the telomere telomere replication. Okay, you might get question from telomere replication. Okay, sometimes you get very simple 2 marks question from telomere replication, that what is this telomerase enzyme is. So basically this is an RNA dependent DNA polymerase enzyme, right? So basically it resembles somewhat reverse transcriptase. Okay, so you should know all these details. Okay, so you might get 2 marks question from this as well. Okay, so you should read telomere replication as well. And apart from that, just go through somewhat mitochondrial DNA replication, and so on. Okay, so that's all from DNA replication that you should know. Okay, so here in a gist, if I say the most important is the DNA polymerase eukaryotic, DNA pol 1, 2, 3, and their functions and all, topoisomerase, telomere replications. These four are very important. Please go through it. Next is DNA repair. It's very important topic. You will definitely going to get question from DNA repair system. Okay, every year they ask question. Okay, so basically here what you have to read, you know, excision repair, either base excision repair, nucleotide excision repair, and all that DNA repair system. Basically they mainly ask from the mismatch or nucleotide. Okay, so nucleotide excision repair or mismatch excision repair. Okay, so mismatch excision repair. Okay, so sometimes, so basically they ask question from all this. Okay, so you should know all these things. And apart from that, how the repair of double strand DNA break. Okay, that is you may get from NHEG, right? So so you should prepare this topic, that is DNA repair. Okay, because you will get question from this topic DNA repair either in 2 marks or either in 4 marks. Okay, so prepare it, it's a very important topic. Next, transcription. Oh, very important. So in transcription, what you get in the examination. So first of all, you should know about the sigma. You know sigma, right? So sigma is very important in transcription. So sometimes they give you a tricky question that what is the role of sigma 32, sigma 54, all this. So this is very important. That is the sigma. Okay, you should know about this sigma, right? You should know about the sigma. So sigma 32, sigma 28, for example, the role of sigma 54 is nitrogen assimilation, right? So you should know all these things. Okay, another important thing, you should know the basics of transcription, that is what is abortive initiation. Sometimes they give question. And the most important, you should know that termination part, because sometimes they may ask question from the termination part of the transcription. That is, one is row dependent and one is intrinsic terminators, that is by the u rich region the termination takes place. So where the energy is required, where it is not required, so you and all these things you should know about transcription. So apart from this, then came to eukaryotic transcription, the most important part. Eukaryotic transcription, right? The most important part. So you will get 2 marks question from prokaryotic transcription, either from this sigma, role of sigma, abortive insertion, or from the termination. You will get 2 marks question. But from eukaryotic transcription you will going to get 4 marks question, or it may be 2 marks, but more chances of 4 marks. So here you should note down the role of pol 1, pol 2, pol 3, and remember that alpha amanitin sensitivity, they were continuously asked question from many times about this. So it's a very simple question, so you may get from this. Okay, and apart from that, you should note down the transcription factors. Okay, what are the roles, what are the functions of all the transcription factor. Okay, so you should know all these things. And apart from that, there are two antibiotics that inhibit transcription, right? One is rifampicin, another one is actinomycin D. So you should note down the function of rifampicin. Okay, rifampicin. Okay, and actinomycin D. So how it inhibit transmission, how it helps in the where it bind to the DNA. Okay, so for example, you know that actinomycin D bind only to double helical DNA. Okay, so you should note down all these things, because sometimes you may get question from this part as well. So students, so this all from the transcription part. Okay, now let's move to RNA processing, another very important topic from where you may get 4 marks question. Okay, or you may get 2 marks question. So note down what you have to read here. You have to read capping, polyadenylation. Okay, and the most important, so if they ask question from capping or polyadenylation, then they ask the question of 2 marks. But if they ask the question from splicing, okay, so capping and poly A, okay, and if they ask question from splicing, right, so this will be a 4 marks question. So very important, splicing part. Okay, so you should know all these things, RNA processing. Okay, and apart from RNA processing, you should know alternatives processing and all the part, trans-splicing, all this, right? So apart from this, you should note down RNA editing. Okay, RNA editing is also very important. Sometimes they give you a simple question from RNA editing, so this will help you to solve. Now Regulation of gene transcription. Note down, this topic is very important. I just confirm you that you will definitely going to get 4 marks question from this regulation of gene transcription, right? So especially the operon model, okay, and you have to also read the trip model, okay. So just go through the details of operand model. You will definitely going to get 4 marks question either from lac repressor, okay, either from the, they give you a graph and they ask the question, okay, that what happens when glucose is there or not there. So you should go and read in details, or either they give you the mutations and they ask question from that, okay. Inducible, constitutive, which are constitutive, which are inducible, a dominant, negative mutation. So you should read the operon in details as well as the tryptophan operon in details. So you will definitely going to get 4 marks question from this topic, remember. So do detailed study of these two operons, okay. Next, RNA interference. Yes, another important topic from where you can get 2 marks question or 4 marks question, right? So what you have to read in RNA interference, you know, you have to read either siRNA, miRNA. So all those things, okay. So all these things you should know about the RNA interference, okay. So please also focus on this topic, siRNA, okay, miRNA, okay, miRNA, siRNA, miRNA, okay. So so difference between the siRNA and miRNA, right? So wait, so siRNA, okay, forgive me for my bad handwriting, miRNA, okay. So you should know about the drosha and all those things, okay. So read this, okay. Another one is that piRNA. So what is snRNA, riboswitch, okay, piRNA. So you should read RNA interference because it may give you either 4 marks question, either 2 marks question, okay. So that's all about RNA interference. Then come to genetic code. In genetic code they rarely ask some question, and if they ask, then please read the Ubel hypothesis. Ubel hypothesis is important, okay, and don't require so much read. Next is translation. Yes, from translation they not ask so much question, okay, but if they asked question, then they only going to ask from prokaryotic translation, okay. Prokaryotic translation, that where especially the prokaryotic translation, especially the elongation and termination part, okay. These two are very important in respect of translation, okay. So please go through this in details about the elongation and termination part of the transcription. So they will definitely going to ask question from this, okay. So that's all from the translation. Now antibiotics, remember, very important question. You will get a flat 4 marks question from this, the role of antibiotics, okay, in translation. So streptomycin, chloramphenicol, puromycin, cyclohexamide, tetracyclines, all these antibiotics are very important. So please note down, all these antibiotics are very important and very easy topic, okay, from where you can just get marks. And last but not the least, mutation and recombination, okay. Mutation is very easy topic. You will get 2 marks question from this. Just go through the mutation, okay. Especially sometimes they asked transversion, transition and all these, that what happened when adenine is mutate to this and that. So you just go through the mutation, okay, types of mutation, where they basically ask this question, right? So you just go through the mutation part, okay. And apart from the mutation part, recombination is there, okay. So recombination is there. So what you have to read in recombination, right? So in recombination they don't ask so much question. Just read the rack bcd, okay. Just read the rack bcd, and apart from this, if you have time, then go through the Kryllox p system, okay, from where they can ask question in recombination, okay. So students, these are the important topics which I feel that if you prepare this, you will definitely going to get 12 to 16 marks, right? So the most important, if I say in gist, in all this, is antibiotics, from where the antibiotics question, okay, in translation from where you will going to get flat 4 marks or flat 2 marks question, okay, or apart from the termination of translation, okay, so from where you can get the 2 marks or again 4 marks question, okay, so prepare this, okay. And uh, uh, in Procreatic transcription they will going to give the question either of 2 marks, okay. And the most important part is the RNA processing and gene regulation, that is lac or tripopyrin, okay. Here you also got 4 marks question, definitely going to get 4 marks question, so please prepare this, okay. And apart from that RNA processing is there, so you will definitely going to get, so 2 or 4 marks question, so please prepare this. I mentioned all the important topics according to me, okay. So we will meet on our next lecture where I will discuss the next module, that is cell signaling, immunology and cancer, that is module number 4. So please subscribe, support us. Thank you.